The Bucktool BG2600 combo belt sander boasts high efficiency and multifunctionality, making it an enticing option for both amateurs and seasoned craftsmen. With its heavy-duty construction meeting CSA standards and a robust 1/3 horsepower, 3.5 amp induction motor, it promises extended longevity and ample power for various tasks. Operating at a no-load wheel speed of 3,450 RPM and belt speed of 4,480 FPM, it delivers commendable performance across materials. One of its standout features is its multi-angle sanding capability, allowing for flexibility in project execution. The belt can tilt from 0 to 90 degrees, while the belt housing swivels from horizontal to vertical, catering to diverse sanding needs. Additionally, the inclusion of 2 workbenches, a cast iron belt sander worktable and a cast-al big worktable, enhances stability and support during use. User experiences with the grinder vary. Positive feedback highlights its quality and utility, particularly for tasks like tool sharpening and knife forging. Users appreciate the ease of belt swapping and the sturdy build that can handle substantial workloads. However, some criticisms surface, notably regarding the brightness of the LED light and the size of the tool rest. A dissatisfied customer recounts a frustrating experience with Bucktool's customer service. Despite initially responsive communication regarding a desired upgrade to a larger tool rest, the company failed to deliver on its promise. Numerous attempts to follow up resulted in prolonged delays, excuses, and ultimately being blocked by the company. This anecdote serves as a cautionary tale about potential customer service pitfalls when dealing with Bucktool. In conclusion, while the Bucktool BG2600 combo belt sander offers promising features and functionality at an attractive price point, potential buyers should approach with caution, especially regarding after-sales support. Mixed user experiences highlight both the tool's strengths and shortcomings, with the caveat of unreliable customer service potentially souring the overall experience.